Hello, this is David from Health Remodel. I have got a great blog for you today, and I'm sure you've heard yourself say this a few times. I have no time to eat well. How many times have you heard that? How many times have you thought it? How many times have you said it to yourself? And it is a total fallacy, and I'm going to explain why. If I'm going to be 100% honest, it is nonsense, total nonsense. And I don't know where it came from, but I know where I would like to send it. What you're actually saying with that sentence is eating well is a low priority for me. It's not on the, it's not the top of my list. It hasn't become a priority for me. I haven't had the tap on the shoulder from the doctor yet. I haven't seen myself putting on a lot of weight as of yet. So it's somewhere down there where there's more things on top of it that I'm worried about. Here's what I want you to do is grab a sheet of paper, put a line down the middle. On one side of the line, put high priority activities. On the other side of the line, put low priority activities. Now, this is going to be for your day. So on the high priority side, I want you to put obviously work if you work. I want you to put, pick up kids from school, drop kids at school, exercise, sleep. They are all high priority things that you do every day. On the other side, I want you to put low priority. And there's going to be some stuff on there that you really need to look at. There will be Facebook browsing on there. There will be Instagram browsing on there. There will be watching TV. There will maybe be calling friends that, it's not a high priority. So can you see where I'm going with this? I want you to add up the time that you spend doing low priority activities and add that up each day. And at the end of the week, you will have quite a few hours that you could be using to prepare your food to eat well. Isn't that a shock to you that you finally realize where you're wasting your time from my two lists? And then in the evenings, instead of browsing Facebook, Instagram, you can prepare food for the next day. You can prepare healthy, nutritious meals for the whole family. You will feel better. You will look better. You'll be proud of yourself because you are achieving. I hope this has helped you if you do have that mindset that you are too busy to eat well. I am David from Health Remodel. I hope you have liked the blog. If you haven't, let me know. If you have, let me know. Remember, we're always going for progress over perfection. Thank you.